What's up, guys? We just wanted to start the day by saying happy birthday, America.
Back-to-back World War champs.
Since 1776, baby. What's up, guys? We decided that we need to wash these bikes because they are filthy. Absolutely disgusting. We were on dirt roads, well, not really dirt roads, but dirt parking lots, and it's been terrible. So I'm going to show you what they look like before and after. All cleaned up, ready for the Make-A-Wish ride. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. And we also have merch now. Go copy some of that. We also have a Facebook page, link in the description for everything. See you on the next one.